Okay, this is a um, grinder stand and the bench for the grinder. I built this because I need it um, to my storage. I do my work in there and everything I want to do. But this is simple and easy to build. I just found a 4x4 that it was I had it somewhere in there. I had a 2x4 pieces and I built I found those small pieces. That's a 2x2 or 1x1 or whatever it is. But this is how the end comes, and they work just fine. I just took everything apart because I painted in black, and this is the tools that I need to put it back. This comes out and back into place. This is all I need to hold it. This is bracket I built. I make this piece out of a piece of metal that I had in there, and it's pretty simple. Just wood, screws, bolts, and that's it. And it works just fine. All right, I'm gonna put it back together since I finished and painted. And I'm gonna show y'all how it works. It works just fine. I already tried, and this is perfect. I can change the blade here, very easy. Put whatever the blade I want, whichever I want. All right, I typed that one already. So now I'm just gonna put this in place. I put this as spacer here because it was holding the force in the grinder machine too low, so. This is a very handy tool. I use it up almost for everything. I need to cut anything that I need to cut, metal. And it's very simple to build. You don't have to weld like I've seen so many videos on YouTube that you have to weld. The parts and everything. Make a lot of cuts and everything. On this one, I just cut the 4x4. I found this 2x6 that I had in there. This is a piece of 2x4. This is a piece of 1x1, and this is junk wood that I had in there just doing nothing, and I decided to make this, and here it is. I'm gonna show you how it works. Here it is to turn it on. There it is. Very stable. It's very tight. Very stable. It's gonna leave it there. I'm gonna cut this piece. This is a screwdriver piece that I had in there. I'm gonna cut it. Simple. Just like that.